What's happening, Bulls? Giga Chad from Blockchain Bulls. Happy hump day. We're looking at a couple of things I want to bring to your attention in the Bitcoin and crypto market as a whole. We're looking at Bitcoin monthly returns. This is gaining a little bit of attention lately. I'm not sure if you've seen it, but you can see here we've got the years 2024, 23, 22 and down, and each single month across the horizontal axis. So down here we've got average and median, and we can look at all these months as a whole to see the average performance, adding them all up. Obviously it's going to be a bit blurry all the way down in 2013, 2014 because they've got outsized gains. For example, in November 2013 there was a 449% gain in November. But overall we can just generally gauge a consensus on where the money flows in what months. Typically. So right now we're in August, we're about halfway through August almost. And what we can see down here in the average August is 1.99%. So that's why I call August not Shorgust. Not Shorgust. A lot of people are unsure, but typically other than last year, well, actually I was looking at September then, sorry. You can see 3 reds, 2 greens, 2 reds, and it's just pretty not Shorgust. September is a sad month for crypto. Other than last year, like I was going to say. So September had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red months in a row until last month broke the curse. But overall, we can generally see the average loss is 4.78% on a September. September is typically a sad month for crypto, if you remember. Then moving forward, something to look forward to, we call it Pumptober. Pumptober. So Pumptober has had 5 green months in a row with an average of plus 22.9%. So something that you can definitely look forward to. Most likely coming into the American election, you'll see pumping because people are getting excited pumping. And we can expect things to just continue on the trend. So not August, September, typically a drab month, and then Pumptober up and away. Uptober is typically what they call it, Uptober. But I'm calling it Pumptober. So another thing that we wanted to look at here is just a reminder we can get so focused on crypto, so focused on the altcoins, Bitcoin and Ethereum to forget about looking at the S&P 500. So the top 500 stocks in America, this is a daily chart, 1 candle equals 1 day. And we can see for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days, it's basically been up only on the stock market. So you can hear about, about the crash, the recent crash. May have seemed bigger than it actually was. Oh no, down 7%. It is a lot in the S&P 500 American stocks, but then it's back up. We're looking to put in a higher low. If we zoomed out on the 1 week chart, 1 candle equals 1 week. I have not done this yet, but just so we can do it all together in real time, we've got a low, a high, a higher low, a high, a higher low. What comes next? At least potentially a double top in the bearish case, I would assume. This means liquidity moves around for all assets, most likely crypto. So by liquidity moving around, things are coming in, things coming out. But what happens with crypto is it typically lags or leads the stock market. In this case, I'm expecting it to lag the stock market. So the stock market's pumping, Bitcoin's a bit average. Let's have another look at Bitcoin finally here. This massive wick down to the lows if you're in the Blockchain Bulls member section. Speaking of, we'll move into that in a second, but we could just see this massive swing failure. It's come down and just basically liquidated billions of dollars, as we've kept you up to date with, and now it's moving into the median of the range that we've been in since February. So Bitcoin typically expected to lag and follow the stock market. We still have our prediction just due to the green line, herpa derpa, up and to the right. Over here on the Blockchain Bulls Telegram channel, so we've got the trade ideas. We're running a Blockchain Bulls trade ideas trade competition right now. You can see a massive 250% put in from one of our traders, Dwight Manfredi. He's at the top of the leaderboard right now, absolutely killing it. Another thing that you get from being a Blockchain Bulls member is this Trade Ideas channel, the news and alpha. So we've got keeping you completely up to date with news and, as you can see here, and alpha. Entries, buy, sell, great trades, 23% from Giga Chad, 62%, 51% by Steezy. These are separate trades and big alpha. And then you got the main channel here, keeping you up to date with live price feeds, and members market updates with all the juicy stuff, which also had a big plus 100% altcoin short in it recently. So plenty of good things to do. If you're not in that, at least come to the Blockchain Bulls chat. The link is below. I'll see you there. You can see these altcoin updates and chat to us. Keep updated with what is going on in the crypto market from True Blue Aussies that will tell you how it is, when it is, exactly who you want to be talking to in markets like this. Take it easy, peace and love. I'll see you on the next video. Let's get eat.